Hi everyone, my name is Amy and I work for Skills Development Scotland, and today we're going to take part in a fun 3D design activity. I work as part of the My World of Work Live team, and we hope to help you understand what skills are needed for Scotland's future jobs by doing activities like this one. So today we're going to be going through 3D Maker. Although most of us won't have access to a 3D printer at home, this activity will teach you all about 3D printing, its applications, and how you can design a 3D model using CAD software. CAD, C-A-D, stands for Computer Aided Drawing. Digital technology, like in this activity, will be really important for jobs in the future. Today, we'll be using Tinkercad, which is a free online program, but you will need an email to create a login to access the site. You can do this now, or pause the video at any point if you need to catch up. So, what is 3D printing? Do you know how it works? A 3D printer works by using heated plastic that is printed precisely under computer control. Once dry, another layer is printed on top, and so on until the model is complete. This diagram here shows how 3D printing is used in multiple job sectors, from architecture and construction, engineering, and even healthcare. In the future, we are likely to see 3D printed organs. On the screen now, we have some pictures of 3D printed objects. Everything from a shoe to a skateboard, a key to a cast. Almost anything you can think of can be 3D printed. These images will hopefully give you some inspiration for when it comes to designing your own 3D model. If you already have an idea of what you would like to create, try drawing up a rough sketch first to help with the design process before we move on to Tinkercad. So let's move on to the design. The website we will be using is Tinkercad. Once logged in, select Create New Design. I will walk you through the tools and the basics of using Tinkercad. We are going to be making a basic 3D house model, and then you can go on to use and apply these skills to create your very own design. So, to start off with, this is your work plane where you will build your model. To the left, you can control the work plane. Zoom in or out. You can rotate the plane to get a better viewpoint. Here you can copy, paste, duplicate, or delete items. There is also an undo and a redo button. To the right of the screen are the basic shapes. You can scroll down to see a variety of different shapes. Let's start with a box for our house. To move a shape onto the plane, simply click and drag. Now we can change the colour and the size of our shape. You can also do this by selecting on the arrows on the shape itself. Now let's look for our roof shape for our house. Let's drag this onto the plane. As you can see, you cannot directly drag the roof on top of the house. This is because we are working in 3 dimensions. We need to lift the roof before we can place it on top. To do this, simply click on the shape you'd like to hover and drag up or down on this red arrow here. Now we can place the roof on top of the house. Well done, you've made a very basic house. To group these objects together so they stick and move as one, we'll use the group tool up here. To group, highlight your shapes and select on this tool. Or you can use Ctrl and G for a shortcut. You can also ungroup here. Now your house will move as one. Tinkercad saves automatically, so you can change the name here and you can continue to work on this work plane or go here to create a new design as it saves here. It is very easy to apply the skills you used in designing the house to create your own 3D model. Skills like problem solving, design, IT, and creativity. All of these skills are needed for jobs such as CAD technicians, design engineers, and even architects. You can learn more about these jobs, as well as over 600 others, at myworldofwork.co.uk. Here, you can also find more exciting My World of Work Live activities for you to try out, to help you understand the future world of work. Thank you for watching and happy creating.